Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-40T-DN W, and it has an end of period andon light and also end of period relay, 15-watt relay. And when it gets down to 0, the relay pulls in and the andon light flashes for 2 seconds. The relay is for some external activation of whatever the customer is wanting to put on it. It's a 15-watt relay. That's pretty standard. Comes also with a wireless controller, handheld controller. You can set the hours, minutes, and seconds. 9-volt battery on the controller, belt clip. Range on it, it's about 150 feet. It's 2.4 gigahertz, so you don't have to be pointing at it. It's an RF controller. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that. We'll set it for 10 seconds. The other unique feature about this timer is that when it gets down to 0 and stops and holds for 2 seconds while the andon light is flashing and then the relay's pulled in, it resets itself to the last value that you set it to and starts over. And it's a looping timer. So I'm going to go ahead and start that, show you that, and demonstrate that to you. And we're showing hundredths and tenths along with your seconds. So if this was hours and minutes, it'd be shifting over to the most significant digit. And so there you go. It just reset back to 10 seconds, and it's just going to continue on resetting and counting down. I'm going to go ahead and stop that. And you can just reset the last value on here and hold, or you can go to 0 and set your hours or minutes, and that's when you can reset it to a new value. But it is a 4-inch high LED, all aluminum enclosure, heavy duty powder coating, exterior grade powder coating. The enclosure can be mounted to a 4-square or handy box, electrical handy box, and then to have knockouts on either side and in the back for 1/2-inch conduit. And then we have a 6-foot power cord, 120 3-prong grounded. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-40T-DN W countdown timer with andon light and a 15-watt relay, and it loops and resets back to your set value. Thank you.